Key Concept 1. What is Lean Sigma? Lean Sigma is a hybrid continuous improvement methodology combining lean concepts, tools, and methodologies from the Toyota Production System to guide organizations through the steps of continuous improvement to improve processes and reduce waste, and, as appropriate, utilize Six Sigma concepts, tools, and methodologies to better define, measure, analyze, improve, control, and perfect these processes. This topical module covers essential tools and concepts for better understanding of what is Lean Sigma. The goal is to expand your skills and knowledge relevant to professional practice. By the end of this module, you will be able to describe the relevance of the topical content, discuss what additional resources may be available to enhance learning, and explain how the essential tools and concepts may be applied in a work setting. Lean and Six Sigma are regularly referenced both separately and together in today's workplace. As previously indicated, Lean has its roots with the Toyota Motor Corporation and the Toyota Production System, and Six Sigma as a methodology had its roots with Motorola. However, the methodologies and philosophies are not limited to the manufacturing industry. They have gained popularity in almost every industry from healthcare to government. Lean is a production practice that considers the expenditure of resources for any goal other than creation of value for the end customer to be wasteful, and thus a target for elimination. Working from the perspective of a customer who consumes a product or service, value is defined as any action or process that a customer would be willing to pay for. Six Sigma seeks to improve the quality of process outputs by identifying and removing the causes of defects or errors, and minimizing variability in manufacturing and business processes. It uses a set of quality management methods, including statistical methods, and creates a special infrastructure of people within the organization, black belts, green belts, yellow belts, etc., who are experts in these methods. Each Six Sigma project carried out within an organization follows a defined sequence of steps and has qualified financial targets, cost reduction and/or profit increase. It should be noted that the term sigma has its roots in statistics, where the Greek letter sigma is used to designate the estimated standard deviation or variation for process output. Both Lean and Six Sigma advocate a strong focus on leadership and on improving performance results as evidenced by the Baldrige Framework for Performance Excellence and its emphasis on both Lean and Six Sigma. The Baldrige Framework for Performance Excellence is the criteria used for the Malcolm Baldrige Award. The Malcolm Baldrige Award is the only formal recognition of the performance excellence of both public and private U.S. organizations given by the President of the United States. It is administered by the Baldrige Performance Excellence Program, which is based and managed by the National Institute of Standards and Technology, an agency of the U.S. Department of Commerce. Regardless of your position in an organization, waste and defects can be a concern, and sooner or later, you may be expected to participate in some sort of continuous improvement activity or project. Knowing the language of Lean, Six Sigma, and project management, and knowing how to select and apply related tools and techniques should be of value. To understand the commonalities and differentiation points of Lean, Six Sigma, and project management, let's review the following descriptions and tools. Lean is a continuous improvement methodology aimed at systematically identifying and eliminating waste throughout an organization. Lean methodologies, originally developed by Toyota, consider the expenditure of resources for any goal other than the creation of value for the end customer to be wasteful, and thus target for elimination. Six Sigma is a continuous improvement methodology originally developed by Motorola, and is a registered service mark and trademark of Motorola Incorporated. The focus of Six Sigma methodology is improving the quality of products and processes by reducing variation and defects. The methodology typically follows 5 steps: define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. The term sigma in the mathematical context refers to the standard deviation or variance from the mean average. Project management is the discipline of planning, organizing, and managing resources to bring about the successful completion of a specific project. The project management cycle typically involves 5 phases: project initiation, planning, evaluation, controlling, and closing. Total quality management is an inclusive philosophy that incorporates many of the tools common to Lean, Six Sigma, and project management for continuously improving the quality of products and processes. TQM was the term coined by a number of American management consultants, including W. Edwards Deming, Joseph Juran, and Phil Crosby, who published the classic book back in 1979, Quality is Free. Here is an overview of the common Lean Sigma tools. Let's pause to review the breakdown for each category. For project management, initiating, planning, evaluating, controlling, and closing. Lean tools, observation, value stream mapping, A3 problem solving, and optimization. And finally, Six Sigma tools, define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. After this quick review, you should be able to see the relation between the common Lean Sigma tools. While both Lean and Six Sigma had their roots in manufacturing, Lean Sigma methodologies can be applied to almost any industry. Here are a few for example: service organizations, healthcare, government, manufacturing, low-tech or high-tech operations, and basically any organization whose leadership is committed to continuous improvement. Let's review. In today's global business environment, pursuing continuous improvement efforts is not a fad, it's a necessity. While terms such as total quality management, Lean, Six Sigma, Lean Sigma, etc. may take on specific meanings within an organization, the underlying tools and techniques may be widely applied. Having an understanding of specific tools and how to apply them for their intended use is a useful skill and a desired workplace competency. Now that you have been introduced to the concept of Lean Sigma, let's take a look at the next steps you should take to master this concept. First, you will have an opportunity to enhance your learning by viewing a video on Lean history, and you can also read and view some excellent supplementary materials that relate directly to this key concept. Then, you will be asked to reflect on what the business world was like 5 to 10 years ago and identify products or services that may be a source of frustration, as well as the difference between people and the process issues that might cause frustration. And finally, you will assess your learning by completing a practice quiz on this key topic.